Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to create a triple crochet. It's one of the tallest stitches that you can make and it's really easy to make, so let's get into it. So for today's tutorial I'm going to be using this Caron Simply Soft yarn and it is a size 4 medium weight yarn. And with this yarn, I'm going to be using my 5mm Crochet Society hook. Those are all the supplies that we're going to need for this tutorial today, so let's get into it. Now to begin this tutorial, we are going to start off with a slip knot. Now everybody creates slip knots a little bit different and there's no wrong way, but I'll show you the way that I create them. So we're just going to anchor our thumb and our ring finger with the yarn in the middle there. We're going to wrap it around our pointer finger and then we're going to just anchor it with our two fingers here. We're going to pull up the front loop and go over the back loop. And then we're going to pull that back loop and pull it off our finger like that. Put our hook on. And there you have your slip knot. Now we're going to do a chain row. Now you're going to do a multiple of basically however many chains you want plus 3. So a chain is just going to be yarn over and pull through that loop. That's one chain. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's do 10 plus 3, 11, 12, 13. And there is your chain row. Now to start our triple crochet, what we want to do is we want to skip those first 3 chains that we made at the end. So skip this chain, and skip this chain. We're going to work into that 4th chain from our hook. So to begin, we're going to yarn over twice. So you should have 3 loops on your hook prior to starting your stitch. We're going to find the 4th chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, right here, number 4. We're going to insert our hook. We're going to yarn over. And we're going to pull through. Now you should have 4 loops on your hook like that. Next, we're going to yarn over and we're going to pull through 2 loops. So 1, 2. So you have 3 loops on your hook now. We're going to yarn over and we're going to pull through 2 again. So 1, 2. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over one more time and we're going to pull through those last 2, and that is 1 triple crochet. Now this first chain 3 that we created, this post right here, that's going to be considered your first triple crochet. So we have 2 triple crochets now in this row. Now we're going to move on to the next one. We're going to go into this next stitch right here. We're going to yarn over twice, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through, so we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We'll do that again. Yarn over twice, 1, 2. We're going to go into this next stitch here. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now this post here, that is your triple crochet. So we're just going to move along the line here into every chain across. And at the end of this first row, if you chained 10 like or chained 13 like I did, you should have 11 triple crochets. All right, and that is our first row of triple crochets. Now, to start the next row, what we're going to do is we're going to chain 3. So yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through, that's the third chain. And we're going to flip our work. Now we're going to work into this very first stitch here, right here, with our first triple crochet. So we're going to yarn over twice, insert our hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And you're just going to work your way along, following whatever pattern it is that you are following for this with this stitch. It's a really tall stitch, so it does work up quite quickly, but lots of large spaces. And that is how you can complete a triple crochet. I hope this tutorial was really helpful for you guys. Please let us know in the comments down below if you have any questions. Otherwise, we hope you guys have a lovely day and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!